amakhosi ajabulile for bona iwin.
Yeah.
For bona iwin. Mara futhi ngoba siyakwazi into besifuna ukuthi sibaleke kangakanani. Futhi na ilose. Mara for amakhosi ba grand bajabule.
Yeah.
Ngiyacala ukubona i-team ejabulela i-draw, i-team enkulu ejabulela i-draw. Ngiyacala ukuyibona mara anyway asikho la.
Embarrassing, ne?
For i-team enkulu izojabulela i-draw. I-draw ayibayisi indaba. Mara anyway asikho la. Igame yamhlanje mina. Igame yamhlanje akuzange kube le Paris engiyibone Saturday against AmaZulu. Angazi bekenzakalani Vandag. Mhlambe khona into beyenzeka Vandag esingayazi from a dressing room or changing room asas.
Ujabu wathi is the fact ukuthi ama player they delayed the kick off for 45 minutes. Mhlambe it played a psychological impact on the players. Do you think that's an excuse or do you think that's a valid point? Because obviously when delay play, they don't just delay play for Pirates, they delay play for Kaizer Chiefs as well, you know. But I don't know what do you think about that.
For mina ngikhali ngalento le ngoba igame idelay for wonke umuntu. Ayidelay for iPirates kuphela. Idelay for wonke ama player both sides, wonke ama team Chiefs ne Pirates. And i-Chiefs ingene ground ibonisa ukuthi ifuna ukwenzani. First half isibonisile ukuthi Chiefs ifuna ukudlala. And iplan yabo baze ngayo ibasebenzele kakhulu. Bayenza mistake kancane i-Chiefs ngokuthi bakhipha umthetho. Sharp bebafake ama defensive uNdlovu umthetho uMabuye shothi bekwatheka uMabuye mara for ukuthi bakhipha umthetho mina ngibona ngathi yila bazilimaze khona bona ngoba obvious ubonile ukuthi uMakhawula noMbatha bebanga click umthetho beyangabavumeli ukuthi uMbatha no